important part of drilled shaft construction is the cleanliness of the shaft base prior to the placement of the reinforcing cage and shaft concrete. Once shaft excavation and base cleaning is complete, GRL engineers perform a base cleanliness assessment using the Shaft Quantitative Inspection Device, or SQUID. The SQUID is quickly attached to the drill rig's Kelly bar and lowered to the bottom of the drilled hole until the unit's 3 penetrometers and displacement plates encounter resistance. During the test, the displacement plates remain on top of any soft material present at the shaft base. The penetrometers penetrate below these plates and record the penetrometer force as a function of displacement. The penetrometer force versus displacement data is then evaluated to quantitatively determine the thickness of any soft material or debris. Depending on the shaft diameter, the SQUID test may be performed once or repeated at multiple locations. For small diameter shafts, a single test is typically performed. For shafts greater than 5 feet in diameter, tests are typically performed in the center of the shaft and in the 4 perimeter quadrants. The test results are evaluated in real time by GRL engineers to quickly determine the need for any additional cleanout or the readiness to place concrete. For additional information, contact info@grlengineers.com or visit us at www.grlengineers.com.